Days after, an UPSC aspirant was electrocuted in Delhi street. 3 other UPSC aspirants died after getting trapped in the basement of a coaching center in central Delhi's Old Rajendra Nagar. The basement was flooded when a drain burst due to heavy rain. Around 7 p.m. on Saturday, the Delhi Fire Services received a call about flooding in the basement of Rao's IS Circle and deployed 5 fire tenders for rescue operations, officials said.
Yesterday an incident of flooding in the basement in Old Rajendra Nagar was reported, in which some people were reported to have been trapped. Search and rescue operations were launched, in which Delhi, along with Delhi Police, Delhi Fire Service and NDRF was also involved. At the end of the search and rescue operation, 3 dead bodies were recovered from the basement. All 3 of them have been identified and the family members have been informed. And they are Shreya Yadav, who is a native of Ambedkar Nagar district of UP, Tanya Soni, whose permanent address is of Telangana, and one Nevin Delvin, resident of Ernakulam in Kerala. We have also registered a case in this matter. This case has been registered under section 105, 1061, 115(2), 290 and 35 of the BNS. This case is against the coaching institute, the management of the building, those who are responsible for the maintenance of the drains in that particular place, and against others whose roles will come in the investigation. So far we have detained 2 persons who are the owner and coordinator of that coaching center, and we are carrying out the further investigation diligently. Nobody will be spared who is responsible for this incident.
As per the official, a case under section 105, 106(1), 115(2), 290 and 35 of BNS is registered against the coaching institute and the management of the building. According to students present on the spot on Saturday night, the library was at the basement of the coaching center where students would go for self-study. According to eyewitnesses, the basement filled with 10 to 12 feet of water in almost no time, giving students no chance to escape. In view of the incident, students are seen protesting against the MCD and the coaching institute where 3 students lost their lives.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जो हुआ है बेसमेंट में, जो खुला हुआ है यहाँ पे, इलीगल तरीके से चल रहा है, कोई सेफ्टी मेजर्स है नहीं, और सीवर लाइन के पर नीचे से कहीं पास हो जा रही चीजें, तो अब जो वो चीजें हैं उनको सेफ्टी नॉर्म्स तो फॉलो, एमसीडी कैसे नक्शा पास कर देता है, कैसे चीजें कर रहा है, तो चीजें बंद होनी चाहिए। कुल मिला के लोगों की मांग यही है कि कार्रवाई करें, जो भी लापरवाही बरती गई है, जिन लोगों ने किया है, उन सबको उस घेरे में ला के अपना उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई पूरी की जाए।
The incident also prompted a sharp attack on the ruling Aam Aadmi Party from the Bharatiya Janata Party, which blamed the incident on the area's legislators' apathy.
माननीय विधायक दुर्गेश पाठक जी ने और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की निकम्मी सरकार ने एक गुहार नहीं सुनी स्थानीय लोगों की। बार बार पिछले 1 सप्ताह से माननीय विधायक दुर्गेश पाठक जी को बोला जा रहा था कि नाले की डिसिल्टिंग करवा दीजिए, नाले की सफाई करवा दीजिए। आपके पीछे आप ही देख लीजिए, अभी भी 2.5 फुट पानी सड़क पर है। यही पूरा का पूरा पानी जाकर बेसमेंट में फिल हो गया है। आप जानते हैं डाइवर्स की जरूरत पड़ी है, तो आप खुद समझ सकते हैं कि कितनी गंभीर हालत है वहां पर। कह रहे पूरा का पूरा फर्नीचर तैर रहा है, ऊपर तक बेसमेंट जलमग्न है और बच्चों की डेथ हुई है इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन के कारण। इस मृत्यु के पूरी तरह जिम्मेदार माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और माननीय विधायक दुर्गेश पाठक जी हैं।
मैम, विधायक और मेयर